Hi all, just wanted to talk a little bit about, actually let me click back here, talk a little bit about our work from last week and then talk a little bit about our work for this week. So last week we were talking about tools that we use in the data world. So things like measures of central tendency, how to use various charts or graphs, etc. And I think that, it seemed like folks had a pretty good grasp of some of that from our discussion. And I will be going through the written assignment as well here shortly this week. So any questions on any of that, please let me know. That was kind of a precursor to what we're doing this week. And this week we're going to actually be looking at a few different things. We're going to look at health informatics databases, healthcare data warehousing. So it's just continuing to build on some of those items that we've already talked about, kind of the base elements to like knowledge management and those types of things. However, we're also going to dig into some use of structured query language, or SQL or SQL. Some people call it SQL. So we're going to dig into using that a little bit. And so what you're going to be doing, you have this week this link here in the classroom is it's going to take you out to where you can do some of this SQL coding. And what SQL is about, and I talked about it a little bit in the announcement as well, it's databases. Obviously, we've talked a bit about big data and data warehousing already. Databases are huge sets of information. So you need to have some tools to be able to break that down and get a view of what you're looking for in that particular set. What SQL does for us is it allows us to communicate with the database. So it'll actually, it has to be specific types of databases, but it allows you to manipulate that data and build queries so that you're able to get the information out of the database that you need. So what you're going to be doing, and here actually let me go back here. I'm going to pull up the syllabus as well. So what you're going to be doing in this website, which is the one that you're linked to, are a few of the exercises. I apologize. Should have already had this pulled up. I didn't even think about it. There we go. So week 4 is here. So you're going to do the Code Academy activities, lessons 1, 2, and 3, which are here, 1, 2, and 3. Now, there's a pro version and there's a free version. You're just going to be doing the free version, so you'll want to sign up for the site, and then you'll be going in and doing the free version of this. So you'll get to do a certain amount of the activities, and then other ones it won't let you go any further. But that's all you need to do. We're just trying to get a base knowledge of this, not become expert in it. So you're going to be doing, let me go back, it's the manipulation, querying, and then some aggregate functions. These are the 3 lessons that you'll be doing. Again, not the pro version, just the free version. And then once you're done, there's nothing that you have to turn in for that, but you will actually be completing an exercise. So we have these 3 classes, just the free version, the first level. Although if you're interested in the pro level and it's something you want to pay for, feel free. It's not certainly not something that I'm requiring of you. But then you have a worksheet assignment that you'll be completing. And so you're going to be just writing, there's 5 queries here that you're going to write based on the knowledge that you've gained from writing queries in your activity. And then also, go back to the classroom, your database description document is here that shows you what all of the databases are, all of the different tables that are listed in the database are. So those are the 2 documents that you'll need to complete your activity. I did also add here, and this is not a requirement by any means, there's an additional set of videos from Khan Academy. You may be familiar with Khan Academy. They have awesome educational videos. But so if you want to kind of dig a little deeper into this concept, or if you know, this is a better way for you to learn. Some of us learn better from a video than they do from the hands-on activities, etc. You know, give it a try, and this is free as well. So it may require you um, to sign up for an account with Khan, but certainly not something that that I get an occasional email from them. That's about it. So it's not too. They're not going to spam you all the time asking you to buy things. So that's our activity for this week. But then we also have some discussion about data warehousing, and that'll reflect back on some of your readings for the week, and then obviously the ed puzzle. So that's our work for this week. Hopefully you enjoy this little hands-on exercise. It's the first time we've done this in a class, so hopefully it goes well. I worked through the exercises myself. They seem to work okay, but as you know, we're talking about information technology and data, but especially IT. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow, so you never know when these things are going to pop up and disappear. But when I worked through it a while back, it seemed to work fine, and it should give you the knowledge to be able to do that exercise at the bottom. So that's all I've got this week. If you have any questions, please reach out. We were going to have a synchronous session this week, not a required one with a specific topic, but just like a live check-in class. I'm going to bump that to next week just due to a few things that are going on in the evening this week. So I'll bump that to next week. I'll let you know when they're available. And then it's not a requirement by any means, but if you want to pop in, if you have questions, I'll be there, and we can chat. If there's just things that you want to talk about, please feel free to stop by that session. But otherwise, if you have questions this week, reach out, email, phone, text, however you would like to get in touch with me, or stop by my office hours here in the office, and I'm happy to help. So talk to you all in the discussions. Thanks.